Now, we're about to share 5 highly effective steps with you. By applying these steps, you won't need to wait an entire year to notice changes. Instead, you'll begin to see remarkable and transformative results within just 3 to 6 months. This could be the turning point you've always envisioned. If you're serious about making this comeback the most significant one of your life, don't overlook step 4. It contains a vital component that can secure your transformation. After years of personal experience and in-depth research, we've refined these 5 steps for you. Just keep in mind, step 4 is absolutely crucial. Let's get started with step 1. Step 1. Clarity. What you see on the screen right now, take a quick screenshot. We'll explain why this is so important for your success. The clearer your mind is, the faster and more effectively you'll achieve your goals. While most people know what they want, they often get sidetracked and lose focus. This distraction often leads them to scroll through random motivational content on YouTube, hoping for a breakthrough. But from this point onward, you're not going to fall into that cycle. To maintain sharp clarity and focus over the next 365 days, grab a piece of paper. Divide it into 4 sections and reflect on these 4 critical questions. 1. If I had no fear and couldn't fail, what would I do? 2. A year from now, what would I be most proud of achieving? 3. What are 3 habits I need to stop immediately? 4. If someone else were in my position, what advice would I give them? Answering these questions truthfully will help you cut through the mental fog, giving you a clear direction. You'll understand exactly where you're headed, why it matters, and how to reach your destination. It's often said, everything is created twice, first in your mind and then in reality. Whatever you aim to achieve, visualize it clearly first. Keep this paper with you throughout the year. Whenever you feel lost, revisit it. It will act as a compass, helping you stay on course. Step 2. The magic of manifestation. You've likely heard that to keep your goals alive in your mind, you need to see them frequently. This is where vision boards become incredibly useful. Having a physical vision board is beneficial, but creating a digital one can make the process even more effective. Consider using apps or platforms to design a digital vision board. Here's how you can start. 1. Save inspiring images or pins that align with your goals. 2. Organize these images into a dedicated vision board. 3. Use a widget to display your vision board on your phone's home screen. Every time you unlock your phone, these visuals will reinforce your goals in your subconscious mind. With your vision clearly in place, you're ready to move on to crafting a solid plan to bring those goals to life. Step 3. Reverse engineered action plan. Pause for a moment and take a look at what's on the screen now. Take your time to read it carefully and save it if needed. This method is a proven way to achieve any goal, whether it's related to your health, career, relationships, or another area. The secret lies in breaking down your goals systematically. To conquer the year, start by conquering the month. To conquer the month, focus on conquering the week. To conquer the week, master your day. Break your objectives into these 5 columns. 1. Yearly goal. Set a clear, measurable objective, like gaining 12 kilograms of muscle or reducing body fat by 5%. 2. Monthly goal. Divide your yearly goal into 12 manageable milestones. For example, aim to gain 1 kilogram of muscle per month. 3. Weekly goal. Break down the monthly goal further into weekly targets, like completing 4 workouts or meal prepping for 2 hours. 4. Daily goal. Translate weekly goals into specific daily tasks, such as a 1-hour workout or consuming a set amount of protein. 5. Immediate action. Take a small but actionable step right now, whether it's writing a to-do list or packing your gym bag. By following this reverse-engineered plan, you can tackle even the most ambitious goals. Step 4. Avoid repeating mistakes. Did you know that only 8% of people succeed in achieving their yearly goals? The other 92% fail, often because they repeat the same mistakes over and over again. Many set ambitious goals but fall into old habits, expecting different outcomes. This creates a cycle of repeated failures. Reflect on this. Are you repeating mistakes like procrastination, poor time management, or lack of discipline? If the answer is yes, it's time to take accountability and commit to breaking the cycle. Identify your patterns and actively work to replace them with better habits. Step 5. Track your progress. Just like schools have semesters, divide the year into two halves. This will allow you to assess your progress midway through the year. Adopt the never skip 2 days in a row rule for building consistency. Start small. Try a 7-day challenge where you complete tasks from Monday to Saturday. Once you succeed, aim for a 30-day challenge. Tracking your progress ensures you stay motivated and reassured that you're heading in the right direction. So now that you know how to take control of your life and transform it in 2025, here's the exciting part. I'm about to share something truly life-changing in my upcoming videos, but only if you're ready to take the next step with me. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button, and let's journey together toward a better you. Stay tuned because what's coming next could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Trust me, you won't want to miss this.